Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your maths teacher. So, as our topic exponents is going on, in which yesterday we learned that what are exponents? Like exponent are the mathematical notation that indicates the number of time a number has to be multiplied by itself. Like in the product, as you are seeing, it is 3 into 3, which can be written as 3 to the power 2, and in the another product 4 into 4 into 4, which can be written as 4 to the power 3. Like if we multiply a up to n times, that can be written as a to the power n, in which a is base and n is the power or exponent, or you may say index. And yesterday also we have started the laws of exponents. Like this is the first law which was discussed. Like it is a upon b to the power m into a upon b to the power n, which is in multiplication. Like if we are having two numbers in multiplication and they are having same base, then what happens, their power adds. Like as you are seeing the example, it is 2 upon 3 to the whole power 3 and 2 upon 3 to the whole power 2. As you are seeing here, in both the numbers the base is same, that means their power will be add. So this will become 2 upon 3 to the whole power 3 plus 2. When you will add this, you will got 2 upon 3 to the whole power 5, and it can be written as 2 to the power 5 and upon 3 to the power 5. So when you will expand this and multiply, you will got 32 upon 243. Now second law is, it is a upon b to the whole power m divided by a upon b to the power n equals to a upon b to the whole power m minus n, which means if there are two numbers in division and they are having same base, then what happens, their powers subtract. Like as you are seeing, in multiplication the power adds, and but in division the powers subtract if the numbers are having same base. So as you are seeing the example, it is minus 2 upon 7 to the whole power minus 4 divided by minus 2 upon 7 to the whole power minus 2. So as the base is same, minus 2 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7, that means their power will be subtract. So it will be minus 2 upon 7 to the whole power minus 4 minus within a bracket minus 2. So we will simplify this. It will be minus 2 upon 7 to the whole power minus 4 plus 2, as minus minus plus. So as different signs subtract, so it will be minus 2 upon 7 to the whole power minus 2. So how we can remove this negative power? By the reciprocal of the base. So this minus 2 upon 7 will become minus 7 upon 2. So and the power will become positive. So it will be minus 7 upon 2 to the whole power 2, which can be written as 7 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 2. As there is no need to write the minus sign because the power is even. Now we will expand this and multiply. We will got 49 upon 4. Now next law is, here is a power of power. Like as you are seeing, there is a rational number a upon b, and it is having whole power m, and again it is having whole power n. So these power of power are multiplied. Like it will be a upon b to the whole power m into n. So as the example, as you are seeing, it is minus 2 upon 3 to the whole power 2. Again it is having a power whole power minus 2. There is a power of powers, then this power will be in multiply. So you will got minus 2 upon 3 to the whole power 2 into minus 2. When you will multiply this, you will got minus 2 upon 3 to the whole power minus 4. Then we will remove this negative power by the reciprocal of the base. It will be minus 3 upon 2 to the whole power 4. So it can be written as 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4. As there is no need to write the minus sign because the power is even. So when we will expand this and multiply, we will got 81 upon 16. Here is another example in which you are seeing there are three powers, like power of power and again its power. So it is minus 1 upon 3 to the whole power 2. Again its power is minus 2 and again its power is minus 1. Then what will happen? The same, will multiply all these powers. Like it will be minus 1 upon 3 to the whole power 2 into minus 2 into minus 1. When you will multiply this, these you will got minus 1 upon 3 to the whole power 4. So as the power is even, that means there is no need to write the minus sign. It will be 1 upon 1 to the power 4 upon 3 to the power 4. When you will simplify this, you will got 1 upon 81. Now next law is, if there are two rational number are having a common power like a upon b into c upon d to the whole power n, so this power n will be of both the rational number like a upon b to the whole power n and c upon d to the whole power n. Like as you are seeing the example, the first rational number is minus 2 upon 3 and second is 5 upon 7 which is in multiplication, then its whole power is 2. So this whole power 2 will be of both the rational number like minus 2 upon 3 to the whole power 2 into 5 upon 7 to the whole power 2. Now it's up to you. You may solve the left hand side or you may say solve the right hand side. Now next law is, which we have discussed earlier, that if we are having a negative power, how we can remove, like as there is a rational number a upon b and it is having negative power n, so we can make it positive by the reciprocal of the base. So this a upon b will become b upon a and this minus n will become plus n. So same in the example like 3 upon 2, it is having whole power minus 3. So we will find the reciprocal of this 3 upon 2, it will become 2 upon 3 and this minus 3 will become plus 3, that means the power will become positive. Now it can be written as 2 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 3, then we will expand this and multiply, we will got 8 upon 27, which will be our final answer. Now next law is, if there is a rational number which is having power 0, then its value will become 1. Like any number or variable is having power 0, then its value become 1. Like as you are seeing the first example, it is 2 upon 3 to the whole power 0, then its value is 1. And second one is minus 5 to the whole power 0, then again its value will become 1. So students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.